streaming. Ugh. There's that. Let's get this up and running. Alrighty, let me turn off my fan. Alrighty, team. We are actually going to cover our watch list today. We have 6 stocks on the watch list. Only a few is going to actually make it through our screening process to actually trade market or when market opens. We have SONN. I do believe we are we're kind of just sitting stagnant. We hit a new high during after hours yesterday. Or pre-market today. I would like to see this continue to rip up and then pull back as well. Or that's what has been happening, excuse me, for SONN, but I'm not really watching. It doesn't have really any news. We have PIK. This is definitely one of my top stocks to watch. They have a partnership with Disney, and PIK has 9.6 million in volume with an average of 1.33. Now, the float is less than 6 million, so this hits our criteria perfectly. High volume, high relative volume, low float, so it can move quick, and it's on news. So right there, and it's on very credible news with Disney. Now we have GLG as well. GLG gapping up 74%, really high volume. Almost, I think 15x relative volume or more. 100 million in float. Not a huge fan. Not a huge fan of the price action at all. We also have TCBP. Again, I'm not liking this at all. TCBP. Just kind of chilling out, not really doing much. We have MBII as well. Not really doing much as well. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. In INDO. No news. But we are. So my top stock to watch is PIK. I'm going to be looking for a pullback and for the move higher. Now PIKK has a lot of, I don't like these rollover lines. Give me one sec, team. All right, there we go. SMFL trying to move. Okay, let's go and look at SMFL. We're going to delete MBII off the watch list. I don't like this. And we're going to have SMFL and replace it. Look for SMFL to actually move higher. SMFL is still another penny stock. We are moving, but we did get a really strong pullback here around a 5% decrease. It's a newer IPO. Coming into, I mean, if we break over 120, 125, I could see us ripping all the way up to 160 here with SMFL. Smart for Life products selected by Amazon for launch in Singapore. So that's great news. I'm deleting INDO off the watch list because I'm not a huge fan of it. We have so good. SMFL, we're going to see this actually, if we can see this break 125, I could see it coming up to 160. SONN, not really liking it, but holding it just in case. Just seeing if anything develops as a back burner. We have PIK, looking for a nice pullback, possibly a washout long. We're just kind of sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity with PIK. GLG dumping off, not a huge fan of it, but still holding on to it. If we break below 37.86, I'm deleting it off the watch list. We have TCBP. Again, still, if we break below 120, I'm not going to take it for the rest of the day. SMFL is gapping up. We have a higher volume, but it's not crazy high volume. I think it's just over a 1x relative volume. And we have 7.5 million in float. So I do like that for SMFL. And this is very choppy. This is very choppy. Looks like we're going to continue to rip here. I mean, that higher volume doji candle would have been a perfect indication for you to actually jump in to catch this move. You could have caught there. You could have caught almost 10 cents a share there. 8 cents now, but we are coming into some selling pressure here for a nice double top. SONM. We had excuse me. I definitely think, I mean, SONM, I'm not a huge fan of it, but it could set up. If we break over 123 and hold, I think we might have room up to 150, and that would be ideal. But I'm really sticking with PIK. I think PIK has a lot of potential today. I'm going to be looking for it to pull back in touch 3. I want to see it touch 3. Possibly we can take a nice washout long. Excuse me, guys. Thank you guys for the follow. Let's go ahead and see if we can get to 100 likes. I'd really appreciate it on TikTok. We have decreasing volume to the downside. I do think we might get a bounce off of VWAP. Really just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. PIK's 50 SMA is pulling up really fast, stupid fast. I mean, we are gapping up 85% so far, and it is on the 1 minute. And there was a nice pop, closed above the 9 and 20 EMA. No, there's not a lot of volume. I'm not a huge fan of it right now. Maybe a nice downtrend break. I'm not too sure. We'll have to see if it gets rejected here. Maybe for a higher low. I don't know. Not a huge fan of it. I'm not going to take it pre-market. We have 10 minutes left until market open. I'm just going to be patient and wait for this to develop more. We're getting that volume, but lower spreads here. I think we are going to have a slight pullback for break of the downtrend. Maybe room back to 370. If I can get in around 45, that'd be around 30 cents I could catch. I would only need to take around 100 shares to catch 30. Catch 30 cents if I'm trying to get around $30. I mean, it's awesome. Looks like we might be looking to break out. I don't know. We'll have to see it if we can get rejected here. We do have higher volume on a lower spread, so that's not super that's not ideal, I should say. And I'm not in anything at the moment. We're getting hit with some selling pressure here. We have SMFL ripping up. Broke a new high. SMFL, let's see if this can start to move. I'm not a huge fan of this price action. PCG. All right, let's go and look at PCG. Fucking terrible stock to day trade. And it looks like it's been just kind of sitting sideways for 2 years. So this looks like a shit stock to invest in. No idea anything about the company, but the chart looks shitty. Mara. Not really seeing anything. Again, I don't have any set strategies built around this, so I'm not going to try to say anything. It just kind of looks, it's just whatever. It's a stock chart. It's okay. I don't really use the daily chart for looking at a MARA or looking at stocks unless I'm finding support and resistance. We did get a lot of volume coming in for power hour yesterday, pulling back into this 200 SMA on the 5-minute. I mean, just kind of KMI. What are you? I'm not trading anything at the moment. You'll know when I'm trading something, but I have SONN, PIK, GLG, TCBP, SMFL, and SONM for my watch list. KMI, gapping up a little bit, not liking it at all. Yeah, the stock chart just looks choppy and stupid. So I mean, good luck for anybody that's trading on the daily chart. Good luck. KMI. Yeah, so right now I'm really just sitting on my hands waiting for an opportunity. I'm really waiting for PIK to absolutely to start to set up here. I mean, I'm really just kind of sitting on my hands, waiting for market open, waiting for something to take the liquidity and take the volume. SMFL I like SMFL. SMFL is the top stock to watch, as well as PIK. Those are top two stocks to watch. What are your thoughts on MULN? Look at the daily. Not liking it on the daily. No idea where it's going to go on the daily. We are, whoa. MULN is actually moving. We closed at like 175 yesterday. We're up. Okay, I do like MULN for the possible day trade. MULN coming into 216 or 217, giving a little bit of resistance here. I mean, we have the 50 SMA at 230, and then I mean, so we'll have to see if they can get this. But I do like MULN for the nice. Wait, do they have news as well? Automotive shares are trading higher after the company announced it was featured by Yahoo Finance Live. Okay, so it was featured by Yahoo Finance. That's probably one of the worst news releases or press releases that a stock can have. It's terrible. They don't have any company specific news. They were just mentioned. Look at the daily. Yes, and a short squeeze. Really? What's the short percentage for MULN? FinViz. All right. MULN. Outstanding shares is 17 million. Short ratio, I don't even know. Target price is 23. Let me try Yahoo Finance. Because I can't, it didn't show me it on FinViz. Let's see if Yahoo Finance has it. MULN. All right. Float 1.8 million. Shares short 1.93 million. A little bit. Short ratio 0.4. Short percent of float 9%. I mean, it's not really a short squeeze. It only has 9%. I don't know where I'm gonna get my I don't know where numbers. I mean, I don't really consider it a short squeeze unless it has over 20% short. Check Reddit. Yeah, I'm really not too. I don't really trade short squeezes, so I could care. It's just whatever for me. I'll just pop it up. I'm more of a technical and momentum trader, so I'm not a short squeeze trader. I'm not really a news trader. Whatever's moving, I'll be able to trade. I do like MULN though. It looks like we are gapping down though. Or not gapping down, excuse me. Looks like we are making lower highs. Looks like the 50 SMA could probably push PIK for a break of this downtrend. We're still really overbought. Guys, we have 2 minutes left till market open. Might be looking for a nice washout long for a nice move higher for the break of the downtrend. Maybe a washout to VWAP and this support level at 328 potentially. Maybe a nice 20-cent washout. If we can get a nice 20-cent washout and then sell it back into this back into these highs, I think that's absolutely that would be perfect. I honestly will take around, I'll probably take around 380 shares on this washout long if it works out. If it works out, I'm going to take 380 shares. A lot of plus sentiment. Yeah, I mean, that's good. A lot of good sentiment, positive sentiments for MULN. SMFL is getting a nice pullback on decreasing volume. Might look for a washout long there as well, but I'm really going to, my focus is strictly going to PIK. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We have 10 seconds left. We're getting a nice dump on off here. Oh, there's the panic pop. Oh, it was very, very, very... The washout long worked out perfectly. Wasn't quick enough, though. Washout long worked out perfectly there. Hot levels at 401. Yeah, guys, that washout long would have been perfect off VWAP in that resistance level. That would have been absolutely wonderful. Very good trade, but I was too hesitant. I would have caught 25 cents there. That would have been around a $70 trade. Unfortunate. MULN pulling back hard. Not hard enough. TCBP ripping up. My focus is going to PIK. This thing is absolutely ripping. Made a new high. Want to see a slight pullback here. It's very, very strong. This is a very, very strong. I want to see this pullback here. This is very strong. I want to see pull back down to I want to see pull back down to 375. I want to see pull back down to 375. Man, guys, that washout long would have been perfect. Wasn't able to capitalize on it though. I want to see a pullback down to 375. I want to see this pullback. Very light volume on this pullback. People are looking to take profit, take some selling, or take some people are looking to take some profits, and look at that. It just continued to ripping. There's so much volume here. So many people are looking to buy. I'm waiting patiently. I need to see this pullback here. We have decreasing volume in the move higher. Very light volume on this red candle. I need to see a pullback. I want to see a bigger pullback here. Spreads right now around a couple pennies. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. Stops are below 75. I entered pretty early. Only with half my position. Looking to take a lot of risk here. I shouldn't have taken a lot of risk, but I want to take a lot. I want to take something. I want to see decreasing volume here, and I want to see this break over 426. Break over 426. We have room all the way back up to 480. The very light volume here. I went in with a little bit early in around right at $4 and right at $4. I'm risking a little bit more than I want to, but I like this decreasing volume. I want to see this back up to 420. Man, my heart's racing. I jumped in a little bit too early, guys. I'm not really having the but it's okay. This has a good reason to be moving up. Decreasing volume. I want to see this break 423. I want to see this break 423. Hopefully we get some nice explosive volume. I have 150 shares long. I have 100 shares long on the day. Not liking it. I might have to take some off the table here. Not liking that. We have a lot of volume today. I sold a little bit too early, got scared out, but I mean, there's really nothing I could have done there. I want to see a pop over 423 on this candle. Jesus. That false breakout was absolutely massive. Holy shit. I'm glad I got out. I'm glad I got out. I could have taken a lot more profits, but I wasn't able to. I wanted it to run. That was my bad. Didn't even sell at the top there. I mean, I'll take it. I mean, I didn't hit my goal. I mean, I did hit my goal technically, but good morning, Yasmin. PINK been pumping hard on social media. Yes, it has. I came in there, or I mean, looking for the pullback, bought in around $4. Saw the pop. Wasn't able to capitalize on the whole move because I was up like 60, 70 bucks. And just, I thought it was going to break and continue to rip. And then nice fake out. And then I had to sell when we came back down. Unfortunate, but I did hit my goal. I mean, I didn't hit my goal. My goal is 30 bucks a day. 28 bucks and 38 cents. Wish that was a lot more. I just didn't sell in the proper locations, which is unfortunate. So yeah, I mean, I'm done for the day because I don't have any more capital to do, but I do have. I mean, I hit my goal, which is okay, which is good. I mean, this week we're doing well. Let's go and look at the calendar of our P&L calendar. All right, we got 28.38. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That is very good. Now this is 6% of my total account, but again, I can only trade with half of my account every single day. So my goal is going to make 14 bucks tomorrow. I'm trying to hit I mean, this could have been so much better. 28.35 or yeah, 38. There it is. But you know, it's unfortunate. It looks like PIK is getting a nice bounce back up over that level. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. I thought it was looks like this is probably going to continue to rip. I mean, screw it. Why not go in with another oh, this is very light volume, but I do think we're going to break. I mean, I have no idea what's going to happen, but like I do think we're going to break 430 here. We have light volume. We're coming into, I should have known we were coming into that 50 SMA resistance. It should just, if we break this level 50 SMA resistance, I think we're going to come up to 480. Man, guys, this could have been a much better day. Wasn't able to capitalize on it. It's unfortunate. I don't know why it's not showing me my trades. Because that's kind of unfortunate. But I believe I scaled in half on down here and then half again here. Just kind of waited patiently, and then once we saw that we were getting a pop, I was selling on this candle, then saw that we were getting a pop even higher. Really, I should have taken some profits right when we broke the previous high. I just got too greedy because I wanted to catch a big move. Even though my entry was already at 4 cents, I thought we were going to continue to rip. I thought we were going to rip all the way up to 480. So I was looking to hold this when in reality I should have sold half right here. Even sold half at 420. That would have been amazing. That would have been an extra 420. That's 20 cents. Yeah, that would have been this right here. I would have locked in this profit, and then, I mean, it's just unfortunate. I mean, I'm glad I was able to capitalize on it, but I have no idea what's going on in the market, and I really should have just locked it in much better than what I did, because I didn't sell over. I mean, I sold one at 414. So my highest, I sold here, and I could have capitalized on so much more potential. So that's unfortunate. It looks like PIK broke lower. So that's not good. We do a very light volume though. That's what I like to see. We are overextended from VWAP. Maybe catch a nice flag. I mean, PIK has a low float, so this can move. Whoops. All right. Please check out GMT, Green Metaverse Token. I'm not trading stocks. I'm not trading crypto, but I am trading stocks and equities right now. So let's see if we can get, $2 off this. So if I can take 40 shares, $1. I need to catch 5 cents. 5 cents. Very light volume. Oh, there's the break. Decreasing volume, but I do want to see this start to there's the increase in volume. See a nice pullback real quick. I want to see a pullback and retest of this level. Pullback and retest. Ripping up. There. Hit my goal. $30 and 78 cents. Woo! Emulating Great Catalyst coming, testing EV battery over 600 plus miles per charge. They also applied 450, got an EV loan. MULN at 224. I mean, there are my trades. Boom, scaled in here and here. Around the same area. Could have scaled in at a better time, but I'm slow. Then got the pop, and yeah, got some here, got $2. Now we're up 30.78. 30.78. So I'm glad that I was able to hit $30. It's nothing crazy, but that's my goal every day is $30. So we got Oh, PIK. If I held it just a little bit longer. Oh. Oh, man. Yeah, I think that just scared out everybody. All right. Well, I mean, Yasmin, I appreciate you coming in. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna do some errands. I'm going to make sure to review my trade, just kind of figure out what's going on. So as always, have a trade plan, trade safe, and I will see you tomorrow morning. And I'm really, what's really unfortunate is that I only have a limited amount of capital to trade with, or else I would be here with y'all all day, or at least until 11 o'clock. But I don't have any capital, so there's really no point. Wait, what do we have on? No, I don't have on demand yet. So I don't have live on demand, or else I'd practice trading, practice everything about it. But no, I don't, which is okay. Yeah. So thank you, Yasmin. I'll see you tomorrow.